Welcome back. In this lecture, I will explain how can you find issues or errors in your jQuery code. So the Visual Studio Code can also help you in identifying these errors. So now I am using the same code, that is the assignment to solution. And if you can see that in my menu, I forget to write a comma here, right? So I am just making this mistake deliberately. Okay, so now your Visual Studio Code is saying that something is wrong here, so you can fix these issues. Similarly, you can see that Visual Studio Code is saying that something is wrong here, so you can see a red underline here. Now if you go here, now it is giving you some suggestions, or there is some other way of fixing the errors, and that is with the help of browser. Now let me open your Google Chrome and let me refresh my page. Now if I click on make changes, see, I am not able to make changes in the menu items. So you can find out the issues. Just right click on an empty space on a web page and then click on the inspect. And when you click on the inspect, so see, you will get a cross symbol here. So it is saying that there is one error. See my cursor. Now go to the console window. In the console window, you can see that there is some unexpected string, and you can also find out that that issue is at line number 37. Now if you click on line number 37 here, it will show you that something is wrong here on line number 37. So that is the line number, right? And here you can go back and find the issues. So let me see that there is an error. So I will put comma here and I will save my document, and again I will go back and I will refresh my page. See, your browser is still saying that there is still one error. See my cursor on the web page. Again you can go to the console, and now your browser is saying that at line number 43 you have missed a parenthesis. So I can close this. Now I can go here and I can write a parenthesis here, closing parenthesis. Now I can save my document again. Now go back and refresh your page. Now if I click on make changes, see, I am able to make changes in the menu items. And now if you click on the inspect, you can see that there is no errors here, right? And you can even open the console window, everything is fine. So this is how you can find issues in your jQuery code.